and welcome to the Island Tip, a segment where we teach you a little few things of advisors in case you go to the island. This week's tip is the sounds of Samoa, the different kind of effect sound we make it with our mouth. If somebody being a cheeky person to you, you just tell them off, like put your mouth together and close your lip and suck like this. They will get their attention, then you can tell them off like this. There's another one. This sound mean a lot of different way of growling off. Yeah. However, if you want the attention of somebody you know or you familiar, don't do that sound. That's a growling sound. You do this one. Shht. Shht. There's the one you do for our friends. Now the women's got a different sound when they gossip on the phone. Sometimes we call it like a color. This sound is different thing for different meaning. Like a shock, the other sound is for like a agree, and other sound is angry, disappointment. The first one is shock. Awoi. I say again, awoi. The second one is agree. Ayah. Ayah. Yeah, got it? And the third one is a disappointment. Aye. Aye. Yeah, so that's our island tip for this week. Tune in next week for more brainy advisors.